Hi, everyone. Welcome to today's video. If you're a breastfeeding mom looking for ways to naturally boost your milk supply, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll share 10 amazing foods that can enhance breast milk production and tips on how to incorporate them into your daily diet. Breastfeeding is a beautiful journey, but it can come with challenges. These foods are natural, nutritious, and proven to support lactation. So stick around and let's dive right into it. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tips on nutrition, parenting, and wellness. And if you found a food that helped boost your supply, share it in the comments below. Let's start with oats, one of the most popular foods for boosting milk supply. Oats are high in iron, which is essential for lactating moms. Low iron levels can impact milk production. Have oatmeal for breakfast, add oats to smoothies, or bake lactation cookies. What's your favorite way to enjoy oats? Let me know in the comments. Next, we have fenugreek seeds, a time-tested lactation booster. Fenugreek contains phytoestrogens that help stimulate milk glands. Brew fenugreek tea, soak seeds overnight, or add them to dishes. If fenugreek worked for you, drop a comment below and share your experience. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are packed with essential nutrients. They're rich in calcium, iron, and folate, supporting overall health and milk production. Add them to salads, smoothies, or sauté them as a side dish. Love leafy greens? Comment green power below. Garlic is a powerful flavor enhancer and a great lactation food. It stimulates milk production and may encourage your baby to nurse more. Add garlic to soups, stir-fries, or roasted vegetables. Are you a garlic lover? Share your favorite garlic recipe in the comments. Nuts and seeds like almonds and flax seeds are excellent for breastfeeding moms. They're rich in healthy fats, protein, and omega-3s. Snack on raw nuts, make almond butter, or sprinkle seeds on yogurt. Hit the thumbs up button if you're finding this video helpful. Fennel is another versatile food that supports milk production. Its compounds mimic estrogen, which stimulates milk glands. Use fennel seeds in tea or add fresh fennel to salads. If you'd like to know more about herbal remedies for breastfeeding, comment herbal tips below. Whole grains like barley, brown rice, and quinoa are excellent for lactating moms. They provide sustained energy and important nutrients. Replace white rice with brown rice or try quinoa salads. What's your favorite whole grain? Share your answer below. Salmon and other fatty fish are a must for breastfeeding moms. Rich in DHA, they support your baby's brain development. Grill or bake salmon with lemon and herbs for a nutritious meal. Love seafood? Give this video a like to show your support for healthy eating. Sweet potatoes are a delicious and nutritious addition to your diet. They're rich in beta-carotene, which helps boost milk supply. Roast them, mash them, or add them to stews. Do you prefer sweet potatoes savory or sweet? Comment below. Last but not least, stay hydrated. Breast milk is about 90% water, so drinking plenty of fluids is essential. Proper hydration supports milk production and overall health. Keep a water bottle handy, and don't forget herbal teas or soups. Let's do a hydration check. How many glasses of water have you had today? Comment below. Thanks for watching this video on the top 10 foods to boost breast milk supply naturally. If you found it helpful, here's how you can support this channel. Like this video to help it reach more moms. Subscribe for more parenting and nutrition tips, and share this video with someone who might find it useful. Got questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Take care and happy breastfeeding.